Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to define conversion in Google Ads. If you have been running Google Ads campaigns and seeing those click roll in, congratulations. But here's the million-dollar question. How many of those clicks are actually turning into sales, sign-ups, or other meaningful actions? Without conversion tracking, you will never know. Feeling like Andy here when it comes to Google Ads conversions, no worries. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to define and track conversions in Google Ads. Let's jump in. First things, first of all, why should you even bother uh, tracking conversions? Here's the deal. Without conversions tracking, you are flying blind. Conversion data tells you which ads are driving results. It helps you optimize your campaigns, tweak budgets, and maximize ROI. In short, it's the secret sauce to making your campaigns profitable. See this? This is where the magic happens, but first, let's break down what a conversion actually is. A conversion is any meaningful action your audience takes after seeing your ad. It could be filling out a form, making a purchase, clicking a button, or even calling your business. Think of it as the win you are aiming for in your campaigns. For example, if your website has buttons for book now or buy now, each of those clicks can be tracked as a conversion. Google Ad. Google Ads offers five main types of conversions. First of all, website actions. Think purchases or form fills. Second, phone calls. Calls initiated from your ads. Third, app conversions for businesses, advertising apps, downloads or in-app actions. Fourth, offline conversions. Actions like over the phone sales imported via a CRM. And finally, local conversions. These happen in physical locations like someone clicking get directions from your ad on Google Maps. Depending on your business, you will choose the type that aligns with your goals. Alright, let's set up conversion tracking step by step. First of all, create your campaign action. Sign into your Google ad account. Sign into your Google Ads account. Go to the Tools menu. Then click Conversions under Measurement. Next, hit plus New Conversion Action and select Website. Google will scan your website to check if the Google tag is installed. If it's not, don't worry. You will get a code snippet to add to your site. Choose your setup type, URL based or manual. For tracking page loads, go with URL based. For button clicks or custom actions, use manual. Then the Google tag is like your conversion tracking middleman. It collects data from your site and sends it to your Google Ads account. Install it on every page of your website. You can either paste the code directly or use Google Tag Manager. Easy peasy. Then check your Google Tag. Once your tag is installed, verify it's working. Go back to the Conversions tab in Google Ads and check the status column for your actions. If you see any issues, troubleshoot using Google's resources. Now that you are tracking conversions, here are a couple of pro tips. First of all, set conversion values. Assign a dollar value to each conversion for better performance insights. Second, choose the right attribution model. Decide how credit is distributed across multiple interactions. First click, last click, or linear. Pick what suits your strategy. And that's it. Now you are ready to define and track conversions in Google Ads like a pro. Remember, conversion is tracking conversions is the tracking conversions is the key to turning clicks into customers and making every ad dollar count. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with someone who needs to optimize their ads. Thanks for watching.